Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Coco, and for today's video I did another makeup look. So in my last video I said I would use the palette I got from Lorac Cosmetics, and sure enough I did. So here it is. I used about 4 colors from the palette. This palette is absolutely amazing. The colors were super pigmented. The shimmery shades were shimmery. You know, it's for the price, which is it's either 54 or 56 US dollars. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will let you guys know down below how much it costs exactly. It's a company based out of the UK, so it did take a little bit to get here, about 2.5 weeks, but it was worth the wait. I really liked it. So if you like the look, make sure you keep watching. Thanks. Okay, so here she is, the Artsy Book palette from Lorac Cosmetics. And for the orange shade that I'm going to put on my eye, I'm going to use 2 colors, and those colors are the ones I just showed you, obviously, and they are Cherry Soda and Burnt. And I'm going to put both of those colors on the inner part of my eye and just blend those out. After I put the orange colors on, I go in with my next color, which is a reddish color, and the name of that color is Psycho. Next, I'm going to cut my crease, and for that, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan, and I'm not going to cut my whole crease. I'm only going to go about halfway over and then just kind of let it fade out. Alright, now that my crease is cut and I got the excess concealer off, I'm going to go in with the whiter shades, and those are going to be Ghost and the color Mystical. So Ghost is just a plain old basic white, and the Mystical is also white, but it's shimmery and kind of translucent, so it'll make it glow. Now I'm just going in with my Fenty concealer in the color 420, and I'm putting that all over my face, and then I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. Next, I'm going to take an oldie but goodie, the first concealer that I ever used, MAC MC45, and I'm going to put that everywhere I want to highlight. with my sponge on a stick, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and put that everywhere I put concealer, just so I can bake for a little bit. Now I'm taking the same highlight I used on my face and putting that on my brow bone. It is from the Jeffree Star Halloween Mystery Box from this year. And you can also see me putting on lip gloss. The first one is Diva from Kylie, and the second one is Santa Got Money from MAC by Patrick Star Holiday Collection. Okay, so this is the final look. I actually really like it. I can't take a good picture to save my life, so just look at this video and know that it looks really well, and don't look at the picture because the pictures are gonna be the struggle bus. But anyway, I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, make sure to like my video. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it. If you have any questions about the company, about the palette, about me, leave a comment. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!